Morning YouTubers. So today's job is fixing my rear door lock. The fault I've got is we unlock the door and then you press it twice and it doesn't unlock unless you climb inside and flick a little tab back, and then when it does unlock, sometimes it doesn't lock and you don't know about it and then the alarm goes off. So let's see if I can recreate the fault. Let's press it once, press it twice. So it's this door. There you go. So if I climb inside and unflick it, I can get it to work. There we go, so I flipped it. There we go. So this sticks. So what I've got is an actuator to replace in here, so I've got all the door cards to take off. It's been a while since I've done one. It's a bit of a puzzle, but bear with me and I'll try and show you how I've repaired it. These are a handy tool. That would start raining too, wouldn't it? Screw just back. So I've managed to get my little bar in, but I put a bit of rubber behind back of it so I don't scratch the paintwork. So you can just see behind there, that's where the wire attachment clicks into. You've got like a little tweeter there. And I'll show you a plug how that connects into there. And you've got your window switch up there to disconnect. So take your door card off and free. That's your little connector. So it's just a push fit, push and pull back. That's your little like speaker or tweeter. So again, just push that back, pull back. And you've got this door latch mechanism there. Just got to get your finger behind there, and then you can pop that out. Next we get speaker out, push that tang in. Let this out, and you've got your screws there. So there's some locating things there. Them trim tools are a really good tool to have. Next, this is to come off. Next, you want to put some tape around window, stop it dropping, because we're taking the door regulator out next. Now bolts are removed, you can push this in. That's loose. Next inside now there's like a metal, like a plastic clip that goes onto the bottom of the window. You need to pop it out and drop it down. When I lift it out, it's better to explain it that way. It's just there. So it's a plastic clip that holds onto the bottom of the window. You need to drop that down. Just put your arm in there like that. Pull it back. So now you've popped it off. Undo your little connector there. You don't have to take this out. You can just drop it down. Plenty of room now. Sticky tape here to take off. Just put that to one side. Open that. We're going to take the whole handle on the outside out with this and lock together. That holds the lock in place. You can see here where the screws go into. We need to get to that, so that's why I'm taking the whole handle out with it, because it's super fiddly. It's very easy to take the handle out. So next we're removing door handle, so there's a few screws to take out from inside. Next you need to get a little flat screwdriver and just push them little tangs back, so it'll take the little outside cover off the door handle. I've done some two little plastic tangs inside. That should lift back. Just get really careful because you don't want to snap them, they're only fragile. Just slowly wiggle them off. There we go. Another two little tangs inside you need to press. I call them tangs, they're probably called something else, but they're very delicate. And that reveals this gasket, this little bolt here. The whole door handle then will come off. pulls back like that. Lets your handle lifts out. You know, the gasket just pops out. Same with that one. There's like a little kind of grommet here, needs to take out as well. Just slowly get behind it. Now I want to pop this through with the door card. So I'm trying to kink the cable. Well, this needs to come off first, to be honest. You can pop that off, just like that. And then twist it, that pops out. Now there's a little tang there. You need to push that in with your screwdriver. Just there. And when you do that, push forward with the handle in the inside. So I've just popped it in. There we go. Now I can lift the door handle out from the inside of the door. Now you can see the door handle there. You need to disconnect this electrical connector. There we go. That all should lift out now. Yeah. So pop that out of the way. There we go, all in one. These are a bit hard to get to inside door, so it's easy to take the whole handle out of the lock at the same time. So now we need to take these cables out. Just there as well. So we took the new door lock. It's not too bad, just got to take your time. So it's easy to do on the bench. So I've got your little cables to take off now. I'll show you how to do that. That's my other pastime. I like to strip and rebuild BMW engines. If you're interested in watching that, that's on my other channel. It's called Data Boots. I'll put a link up. Anyway, back to this. So I need a little flat blade screwdriver. These are really delicate, these, so be careful. So if I remember, these just pop back like that. That's one. These are super delicate, these. Am I gonna snap it? Oh yes. So that pops up now like that. And you rotate it to get it off. Might be that way. That's it. So that's one cable off. One side. So it's a bit hard to see it being dark. So pop your screwdriver in there. There we go. It's popped out. So same again, take it. That pops out. Pop that in there like that. So it goes through, rotate it round. And slide that in there. Nice little click. That's in. This is a round one. So pop that in there. That goes round there. That's in. Right, so it's now time to put it all back together. You've got your grommet in, this one here, and your little screw behind it, pushes back on there, got your little bolt, put your handle on the inside and clipped it back. Next to put this on, slides in there like that, a bit shove forward, and that's on. And you've got your little screw back in that holds your grommet, and then lift your lock into position. Them all in slack first. Don't want to cross thread them. It's in there like that. Feels good. Feels good. Next is to pop this back in. So it goes in like that. Just pull your handle back to help it go in. So next job is to get the window regulator. Got to get that. You have to see onto your glass there. Just see the hole, the side of the glass. I've put a little bit of lubricant on there just to help it lift up into place. It goes into there like that. It's a bit hard filming it, I'm doing it one-handed, but basically it clicks into there and then you put your bolts back in. So you see it's clipped up. What you do now is get it back up, pull them into place and get your bolts in and your nuts. Don't forget your little bit of sticky tape, put to one side. That's that on. Next to put this on, that door card. These little clips what might get left in your door, they simply pop back out and they just slide back in like that. Sometimes a break. Put it in through like there like that. It clicks in. That goes in there like that. And the door card ready to go in. So you've got that needs to go in there. Then your little tweeter, and your window switch. In. It's working. You need to line up all your little plastics. So now we're going to test it. So one click. That should just be that door open and that one locked. And second click. Hey. Then one close. Working.